Okay guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be doing this waving flag effect in Houdini. Okay, so drop down a tube node, dive in, set the X and Y radius to 0.1. And this is going to be a flagpole. Set the height to 10 and make sure end caps is ticked on. Connect a match size node, justify Y to min, and make that visible. Home selected. Then drop down a grid to the right here. Set the size to 4 by 3 and the orientation to YZ. Connect another match size and connect match size 1 here to the second input of this match size and justify Y to max and justify Z to min and then to max. Drop down a remesh after this. Set the target size to 0.1. Drop down a vellum cloth. Connect a vellum attach after that. Connect a resample after match size 1. And connect this to the third input of vellum attach. On vellum attach, scroll down. Okay, I've brought in the wrong vellum attach, so just delete that and make sure it is vellum attach. Make sure it's vellum attach constraints, not the one that we had before. Tick on max distance. Just connect the resample back to this and set the max distance to 0.1. Then connect a vellum solver on the match size 1. Connect it to the third input of the vellum solver. Dive into the vellum solver, drop down a pop wind. Connect it like that. Set the wind velocity to 4 and the amplitude to 1. Come out. And then drop down a merge. And connect match size 1. And the vellum solver like that. And click play. And you should have a flag blowing and waving in the wind like that. And if you want to add a UV texture to it, if you want to add a texture, after the match size 2, drop down a UV quick shade and then bring it in an image. So I've just picked this flag. Then if you go to the very start, set projection axis to X, and then click play. And that is how you create this waving flag in Houdini. Thank you for watching, drop a like and subscribe. Peace.